Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use stop limit on MEXC exchange. So a stop limit order is going to let you set a trigger price to protect your investment or lock in your profits. And here is how it actually works in MEXC. So first of all, launch your MEXC app and then log in into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the link of it down in the description and it will help you to get up to 8,000 USDT as sign up bonus. So if you want to avail it, make sure you check out the link in the description. Now, once you are on this page, simply tap on the trade option in the bottom, and over here, first of all, you need to select your pair, and after that you need to tap on this drop down menu and select stop limit section. Now, once you select stop limit, you will see the trigger price as well as you will see the current price. So here you will have to select the trigger price. So it can be, let's say, $146 because currently the price of Solana is 147. So this will be the trigger price for your order, and then you need to enter the limit price. This will be the actual price at which you want to buy or sell once it is triggered. Finally, enter the amount of crypto that you want to trade, and once everything is filled, you need to tap on the buy or the sell option depending on your goal. So this type of order gives you more control and helps avoid any unexpected losses during high volatility. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.